What's up my stylish people, this is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel. This video is all about 10 denim jacket outfit ideas. I hope you guys will like it. Starting with the outfit number 1, which is my favorite look, one of the favorite. It's a black and white super simple look. If you guys can see here, I paired the black H&M turtleneck with the white skinny fit Zara pant and color coordinated the trouser color with the denim jacket, and altogether it's a super simple look. You guys can look ultra stylish by going with these neutral color combination. It's a timeless combination, guys. Moving on to the outfit number 2, I call this the statement color look, because here the statement is going to be the jacket color, which is the brick red color. I retained the black turtleneck from H&M and paired with the super skinny Zara pant. As the statement for this look is going to be the red color denim jacket, I just added red with the combination of the black. It's going to look awesome according to me, guys. Moving on to the outfit number 3, I have gone with the peach pink printed shirt from H&M. Actually it's a new arrival, and then have gone with the ripped skinny jeans from Zara in beige color. In order to follow this vibe, I have gone with the white sneakers and color coordinated beige color denim jacket with this ripped jeans. Overall it gives that summery kind of a vibe, but still you're going with the winter outfits. Moving on to the outfit number 4, I call this a color blocking outfit with hoodie. For this outfit I have gone with the coordinated set of blue denim jacket from LP jeans and blue jeans from Jack & Jones, and here color blocking has been done using the red color hoodie and also the white t-shirt peeping from inside. As simple as that. Moving on to the outfit number 5, I call this a sporty look. It's a super simple look to play with, guys. Just add a white t-shirt and then go with ripped jeans. Here the white t-shirt is a technical t-shirt from Zara and ripped jeans is also from Zara, and then use the white Stan Smith, and the jacket has been retained from the previous look. In case if you want to switch up the looks, you can add the washed black denim jacket or a black denim jacket as well to get the same kind of a vibe, means the sporty kind of a vibe. In case if you want, you can add crossbody bag as well. Moving on to the outfit number 6, I call this as a coordinate set. In case if you have the denim jacket as well as the jeans in the same color or the trouser in the same color, make sure that you go with this. Add a neutral color t-shirt inside. Here I have gone with the white color t-shirt, but I switched the sneakers to the Chelsea sneakers. I feel that black and blue combination goes well, guys. That's the reason I have gone with this combination. Overall it's a simple look to start with. Moving on to the outfit number 7, let's start playing with the patterns. I paired the white technical t-shirt with the grey checkered pant from H&M with contrast side tape to it. Then I picked one of the color from the contrast side tape and color coordinated with the washed denim jacket in black color from Zara. And if you're curious about, the shoes are from Puma Running System X in specific. In case if you're not a fan of black color with this look, you can go with the olive green color as well. Moving on to the outfit number 8. Now let's play with the checkered pattern for the shirt. It's a Cuban collar long sleeve shirt from Jack & Jones, and I color coordinated the green checks from the shirt with the olive green denim jacket. In order to give this look a different vibe, I have gone with this loose oversized fit trousers, and I color coordinated all the colors with the Skechers Airy Stamina, which is one of my current favorite among the sneakers. Moving on to the outfit number 9, I call this look a simple statement look because the colors are going to be simple for this look. However, we are going to play with the statement, which is the trouser for this. It is a double face jeans. The back side of this pant would be the jeans and front side it's a pleated chino. On top, I have gone with the white t-shirt as well as the black faded denim jacket from Zara. Moving on to the last look, which is outfit number 10. I call this the simple standard look because if you guys are not sure about what to wear with the denim jacket, this is the simple combination you have to go with. I'm not talking about the denim jacket, I'm talking about the t-shirt as well as the trouser. Just make sure that you go with the combination of the black and white and add any colored denim jacket and make sure that you pair with the white sneakers. It's a super simple combination to go. I hope you guys like this video on the 10 outfit ideas with denim jackets. If you did so, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. That's it from me. See you guys next time.